It's great. He wants me to do it again.
Concentrate a little bit, will you?
Come on, Wendell. I like that. Big 12 women's basketball is #1 in the ratings percentage index, so it's no surprise that the conference placed 7 of its 10 teams in the 64-team NCAA Women's Tournament bracket that was announced Monday night. Defending national champion Baylor was the overall #1 seed. The Lady Bears open NCAA play on their home court in Waco Sunday against #16 seed Prairie View. They hope that's the start of a postseason journey that will lead them to Oklahoma City and then the Final Four in New Orleans. Oklahoma is also in the Oklahoma City region. The Sooners are a #6 seed. Now, if OU wins its opener with Central Michigan, it could face #3 seed UCLA in a rematch of a November game the Bruins won by 6. Iowa State has a tough draw. The 5th-seeded Cyclones are in the Spokane region and will play #12 seed Gonzaga on its home court. #7 seed Texas Tech is also in the Spokane region, but the Lady Raiders are hosting and will face #10 seed South Florida in Lubbock. Kansas is the #12 seed in the Norfolk region and will face a familiar foe in former Big 12 school Colorado, the #5 seed. Oklahoma State joins KU in this region, and the Cowgirls are #7 seed and open against #10 seed DePaul. Newcomer West Virginia represented the Big 12 by snagging an at-large bid as the #11 seed in the Bridgeport region. The Mountaineers will take on #6 seed Delaware on its home court. For the Big 12 Minute, I'm Wendell Barnhouse.